Hi, today I will show you how to connect the DJI Osmo Mobile with Sony Action Camera. Here I have the prototype setup where I'm connecting Sony Action Camera with the DJI Osmo Mobile. I tried connecting directly this camera without phone to DJI Osmo Mobile 3, but it didn't work. If you put just the camera, then you cannot achieve the similar thing. You need some kind of load similar to phone. To achieve this, I have used iPhone SE. On the top of iPhone SE, I have put two L-shaped plastic. You can use better material or maybe design the product. This plastic I have fastened using the normal office tape. If you see, the camera has been put in the center of the phone to have the similar distribution of the weight of the camera. That makes it easy for the gimbal. This ice cream box I have, width is same as your phone. Height is 2 cm. The total length of the L-shaped bracket is equal to the length of camera, and if you divide into half, then one L-shaped bracket is half of the length of the camera. But at the same time, you keep some margin so that you can move the camera in the front or in the back. A pair of scissors to cut this ice cream box, also the knife. Use your creativity, use another material or do the same thing I did. I'm sure you can do that. Take precaution that if you move too hard, then maybe this arrangement perhaps isn't good for you. You need to have some kind of more advanced connection. And I'm starting it. Once it starts, it does pick up quite nicely. So here we have started the phone. So install the Sony Image H Mobile. Open this application. You have the camera, and then we start the camera, and the camera starts start operation. Press OK, and it starts the camera. And we can see, as you can see, the best thing of the gimbal is that you can use it to move like this and like this. It is difficult to achieve this effect using action camera. Even though this is quite good camera, it has very good stabilizer, it has very good colors, it is very small, it's aerodynamic, it's very handy when you hold it. So I like this camera. I have fastened it from the behind and a little bit from the front so that it doesn't fall down when I move, but definitely this is not the perfect arrangement. Perhaps you can use the screw here to screw the camera with the plastic. This camera has been used by many popular vloggers like Bald and Bankrupt and Harald Walder, and it is very nice for videographing outdoors. They use Sony FDR AZ1. This is Sony FDR AZ1. It doesn't have optical stabilizer, so if you use the gimbal with this, you get a very similar effect to that. The good part of the Sony cameras is that they have very nice wide-angle lenses, and this lens is made by very famous companies. So these lenses give very nice wide angle without distortion. Now I have removed the camera just to show you how it looks like. This is how the only L-shaped bracket connected with the phone look like. Just make sure that it is very well leveled to give good support for your camera. This is how the L-shaped plastic look like, just to show you nicely. I made the hole here to hold the screw, but I don't have a screw. Maybe when I will find the screw, I will use the screw instead of tape. That will be more secure. So that's all from me. I hope this helps. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.